Load your family into the 2011 Ford Explorer. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, speed-sensitive wipers, front and rear air conditioning, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.